This creator right here has $500 sitting in a campaign. Barely 1% of it has been claimed. Their job, make long videos. Your job, turn those videos into short clips. Post them on TikTok, Reels, and Shorts and get paid every time someone watches. No experience, no money upfront, just a phone and 10 minutes of setup. I have tested this myself, signed up, clicked, submitted, and got approved. So today, I'm walking you through everything on screen, the platform, the process, the mistake that get people rejected, and the exact action plan you can start tonight. Let's get into it. Here is the problem big creators have. They are pumping out 2-hour podcasts, live stream, long gaming sessions, great content, but it lives on one platform and dies there. Short form is where discovery happens now. TikTok, Reels, Shorts, that is where new audiences find you. But a creator making 3 long videos a week does not have time to also shot 30 clips and post them across 3 platforms. It's physically impossible. So what do? They go to platforms like Clipster.gg, drop a budget, sometimes $200, sometimes over $1,000, and open it up. Anyone can sign up, grab their content, clip it, post it, and earn based on the views those clips get. You are not stealing content. You are not re-uploading randomly. The creator is literally handing you their footage and saying, go distribute this for me, and I pay you. And this isn't some fly-by-night thing. You can share Clipster reviews on Trustpilot yourself. Real people, real payments. Step 1. Go to Clipster.gg and click Join as a creator. Now, before you say, I'm not a creator, on this platform, you are. You are the one making the clips and posting them. That makes you the creator. Once you are in, you see the dashboard, campaigns everywhere. Each one is a creator or a brand paying for clips. Some campaigns are for clipping content, others are for logo placement. You add a brand's logo to your own videos, different formats, same idea. You get paid for views. Now, here is the thing most people miss. See this campaign, look at the budget. Now look, only 1% used. That means almost all the money is still available. This is good. When you see campaigns at 80 or 90%, the money is almost gone. You want to get in early. Timing is everything. Yes, click into any campaign and you will see which platforms count. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. If you are in Pakistan, Bangladesh, Philippines, TikTok works great. If you are in India, where TikTok's banned, no problem. Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts still can't. We also see follower requirements. Some campaigns ask for 1,000 followers. Many don't require any. Always read before you apply. This is where most people blow it, so pay attention. Every campaign has a Discord server linked to it. You have to join it. This is where the creator spells out exactly what they want, what content to use, what hashtags to include, who to tag, what keywords go in your caption, everything. See this, instructions, rules, FAQs, all laid out. If you skip this and just post whatever you feel like, your clips gets rejected, no payment. Wasted effort. Spend 10 minutes reading everything. Follow it to the letter. Once your clip is live on TikTok, Reels or Shorts, come back to Clipster, hit submit content, paste your video, URL and submit. If it gets approved, you start any based on views. Simple process, but simple doesn't mean instant. I'm going to be straight with you because most people making videos about this won't be. Your first clip probably won't go viral. Neither will your 5th. That is normal. Clipping is the skill. You are learning what moments people stop scrolling for, what edits hold attention, and what captions trigger the algorithm. That takes reps. The people making real money on here, they don't cash out on a clip number 1. They make 20, 30, 50 clips. They study what got views. They improve their editing. And somewhere around day 60 to 90, things started clicking. If you are coming into this looking for overnight money, this isn't it. If you are coming in ready to build a skill that pays you while you sleep, keep watching. Here is exactly what to do when this video ends. Step 1. Get one social media account ready. YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok. If you already have followers, great. If you are starting from zero, that is completely fine. Some campaigns have no follower requirement at all. Step 2, download CapCut on your phone. It's free. It's what most clippers use. You don't need a laptop. You don't need Premiere Pro. Give yourself 1 weekend to learn the basics, cutting clips, adding captions, transitions. That is your entire toolkit. Step 3, go to clipster.gg, sign up and browse campaigns. Look for fresh ones where the budget is barely touched. Pick campaigns that match your content you actually enjoy. Gaming, music, lifestyle, whatever. You will make better clips when you care about what you are clipping. Step 4, join the Discord. Read every rule. Make your clip. Post it. Submit the URL. Then do it again and again. Volume plus quality. That is the formula. Step 5, track what works. After 10 clips, look at which ones got views and which didn't. Double down on what's working, cut what isn't. This is how you go from random to strategic. Let me put this in perspective. Big creators are spending real money to get their content distributed. Platforms like Clipster make it possible for anyone, anywhere to get in on that. No investment, no gatekeeping, just effort. And this space is still early. Most people have never heard of content clipping as a side income, but every campaign I show you today, those budgets run out. The ones on screen right now might be gone by tomorrow. So move. Now, Clipster isn't the only platform doing this. There are others that work just as well, some even better for certain niches. I'm breaking those down in my next video, so if you don't want to miss it, subscribe now. Drop a comment. Tell me which country you are watching from and whether you are starting this week. I read every single one. And if this video helps you see a real opportunity, hit like so more people can find it. I see you in the next one. Let's get to work. And you wake up.